Online cousins, I'm back. I know you've been surprised why I've been offline for a very long time. Yes, it took about 6 months, but I'm back now. I had to attend to something very, very important, and it kept me offline this long. Thank you so much for the checkups. Thank you so much for the messages. Thanks for the tags, and I really, really appreciate. But I'm back and loaded with information. If you've been having issues with KDP especially, and all other methods of making money online, your legal Naira is back. Get your pen and paper ready, because I'm going to be blowing your mind. While I was offline, or while I was away rather, I was learning a lot of things. And yes, you read that right when I said I started Yahoo. I'm going to give you a backstory, a very short story about the whole Yahoo thing, so that you would have a direction of where we are going. And like I said, get ready for a better 2025, because information choke. I was scrolling through TikTok one day and I saw this page where this guy was talking about Yahoo, what they do, how they do it, and I just kept listening for like 2 minutes. And everything I was hearing are things that we also do as legit hustlers online, as freelancers, digital marketers, publishers, graphic designers. Everything we do online are what these guys do. Then I decided to listen more. I went into his page and I clicked some of the videos, and the things I saw blew my mind. Guess what? These guys are doing almost everything we are doing, and they are even doing it better. Permit me to say that, yes, they are doing it even better. Better in the sense that they seem more dedicated, they seem more focused, they have the zeal, enthusiasm to scan people. Like, if their account gets taken down, they would immediately start a new one or quickly buy an account. Like, they don't feel reluctant to buy an account to start again. But look at us. If our KDP accounts get terminated for 1 or 2 reasons, some of the reasons we know, some we don't, we start saying things like we are frustrated, we don't want to start again and all. I go to this guy's page and I be like, wow, what level of dedication is this? They do everything we do. Cold emailing, email marketing, digital marketing, video editing, document editing, photo editing, manipulation. They use AI, they use chat GPT, they use ideogram, they use everything we do just to lure people into paying them money, just to scam people, just to deceive people and get money or resources from them. Then I thought about it, like, then we that we are doing legit, why can't we build this type of dedication? Why can't we build this type of ideology? Why can't we learn more? Go into the internet and learn more things. Trust me now, because I like learning new things, I stayed on the page. I watched the entire videos. I learned almost everything. In fact, they even have a Telegram group that I joined from the guy's link in bio, and I joined the Telegram group. I was just following everything they were doing. See, let me tell you, these guys don't sleep. These guys are too dedicated to be scamming people. Like, if you take your online business, your legit online business, your publishing business, KDP, affiliate marketing, freelancing, Fiverr, agency, CPA marketing, forex trading, Bitcoin trading, any type of legit business that you are doing, if you take it serious and you are as dedicated as these guys, I tell you, you are definitely going to make it. Nothing is going to stop you. Nothing will be able to stop you, because they have a formidable force. They have something that drives them. Like, how can scamming people be this interesting, be this sweet to these people? Like, they don't sleep. They wake up every night and create new formats, create new photos, scan through the internet to get new images, use AI to their advantage, and then scam people with it. These guys even go to the extent of building websites. They have websites where they call, I've forgotten the name. Basically, what this website does is that they portray this website like it is from the government and it is for grants. So people should apply. When people apply, they will now tell you that for your application to be chosen or to be selected, you have to pay $1,000 or $2,000. And I'll just be watching everything these guys do. And people fall for these scams. People fall for these scams so much. They have dating where a guy can act like a woman or a man in another country, or they have the one they call military. I learned a lot of things from these guys. There's one they call truck, there's one they call social media. In fact, it is the social media part that interests me the most. Do you know what these guys do? They'll create a new Instagram account and they'll start building it. And then they'll decide if they want to use a celebrity or just a random social media. Let me give you 3 of the formats I learned. One, there's one they call celebrity. They'll pick a popular celebrity in the US and then start getting photos from their Instagram page or their TikTok or their social media generally, or even from Google. They'll start getting pictures and be posting like it is the celebrity. And then they can add something like backup, or they can add something like PA. Now they'll now start chatting people that the celebrity or people that are following that celebrity. So as they're chatting them, they'll start sending them DMs. Hi, so person's P. I don't want to call any celebrity's name, but you know all our popular celebrities, the ones in the US. They'll just say, hi, my name is this, and I'm so celebrity's PA. If you're trying to reach them, or this celebrity is running a giveaway. See how gullible. It's running a giveaway and I am the PA and I've been told to chat everybody. Now, I just like you, that's why, and I see that you always comment on their post. I like you, that is why I'm sending this message to you, because I want you to be selected as part of those that will enjoy this giveaway. But to do that, because I want to select you, you need to send $300 to this account, blah blah blah. Sometimes they will nurture you, build relationship with you, with the clients rather. These are the people they call clients, and then these people will start paying this money. If in 1 month they get up to 20 people to pay $300 each, tell me how much that is. This is how these guys do their thing. Now, after looking at all these things, I now started converting it into legitimate ways to make money, and I'm going to explain everything to you, which is the essence of this video. Let me tell you another one again. There's one they call truck. This truck, it is like you are going to be selling trucks. They will go to their classified ad sites there in the US. You know what I mean by classified ad sites, like Gigi, the way we have Gigi in Nigeria. Gigi is a classified ad site. They will go to the classified ad sites in the US. I don't want to mention the classified ads. You can check any of them online yourself. Then they'll go to the sites. They will see people that want to sell truck, like real legit people that want to sell their truck. They will take screenshots of the trucks and then create Instagram accounts and start selling trucks. They'll be getting pictures of the trucks from that classified ad site and be posting it on this site. Now, people go on Instagram to search for truck drivers or people that wants to buy truck. Now, this is not what they even use. The Instagram they created is just to build trust. Now, what they'll now do is that they'll now go to Facebook Marketplace. Are you following me? They'll go to Facebook Marketplace and start posting these trucks and putting prices there, exactly the way they got it from those classified ad sites. Now, people in the US use Facebook Marketplace to get a lot of things, just like people in Nigeria use Gigi to get a lot of things. A lot of people buy cars from Gigi. I have bought cars from Gigi before. I have friends that have bought cars, even houses from Gigi. That's exactly how it is in the US. People want to buy things. Sometimes they go to their classified ad sites there in US, in Canada, or neighboring countries. Now, when they go to Facebook Marketplace, they will see people that wants to buy or that wants to sell. If, for example, you want to buy a house in Nigeria or you want to rent a house in Nigeria and you go through Gigi, the agent you are chatting with, if you see the house you like and you chat with the person, oh, hello, I would like to inspect this house, I like to see this house, the agent will tell you, okay, if you want to come and inspect this house, you need to pay 3,000 Naira inspection fee or 5,000 Naira inspection fee. That is how it happens there too. There, they will tell, when you chat them that you are interested in a particular house or in a particular truck or a phone or a laptop, anything they post for you to buy, they will tell you to pay inspection fee. That is where they make their money from. If you are feeling skeptical about it and you are saying, I cannot pay inspection fee, they will show you their Instagram and tell you that we cannot scam you. We are legit. We have an Instagram account. We have a business. Some even go to the extent of building a website and send you their website link to tell you that they sell truck. That is what they do. They'll just give it a name. They can say the formidable truck trucksandreviews.com, and they'll put pictures of trucks and all that. They'll put reviews from people. On their Instagram, they also have reviews. They will now show you those reviews and tell you that, as you can see, these are people talking about us, they like us, blah 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 and all. If you want me to show you documents, I'll show you. This is where their graphic design skill come in. I was just watching all these things and I was marveled. They will now create a document of past transactions and then send it to you. They will get the documents from Pinterest and then edit it to suit the conversation they are having with you and then send it to you. They can even send you a form to fill and tell you that is the inspection form, and then after you fill the form and send to them and signed it, you should pay maybe $2,000 or $1,000 or $300 or $500 inspection fee. Imagine getting inspection fee from 20 people every month. Guess how much that is. This is how these guys make their money. Now, I only gave you this story because I want you to understand where we are going. In this case, we are not doing Yahoo. We will never do Yahoo. I can never teach you anything that would make you scam people or get money from them against their wish. I'll teach you how to become valuable, how to create valuable online products and sell to people to get money. They pay for value. Now, let's bring this down to legitimate hustle that I always teach. Let us take the Instagram building, for example. Do you know that you can create Instagram accounts, build it, you can also use a celebrity name to build it and then sell it? There are websites where people buy accounts. In fact, even if you don't use the website, if you post it on Twitter that you have accounts for sale in so country, let's say you have US audience on the account, people are ready to buy that account if you build it to up to 10,000 followers. The same way, if it is Nigerian followers that you have on that account, you don't even need to go to the US level. Create an Instagram account, build it up with, you can use a celebrity name, you can even say Davido Fans Club or Wizkid Fans Club. Whenever they post anything, get their pictures and post it, get their videos and post it, and then people that are their fans will start liking this page, and then you build it to 10,000 or 20,000 followers. Once you build it to that level of followers, you can sell it for up to 100 or 150,000 naira. You can decide to say per follower is 50 naira. Now, if you're selling one follower for 50 naira and then you have 20,000 followers, how much is that? Do the maths. That is the social media part. That is how we can convert their illegitimate way of making money to a legit way of making money. Another one you can do is that if you sell physical products or you have people that sell physical products, approach them and tell them you want to help them sell. Then you post it on Facebook Marketplace or Gigi. These Yahoo guys are using Facebook Marketplace or Gigi to scam people. You will be using it to do a legitimate business. I hope you understand. There's another one they call, there are a lot of them, I cannot just start telling you, but everything they do, you can always convert it to a legit hustle and start making money online legitimately. I hope you understand. Let me give you one more before we round up this video. This one is going to blow your mind. They call it pastor updates, celebrity pastor updates. They'll pick a popular pastor in the US. What they will do, let me even give you the breakdown. Please, this is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you to go and do Yahoo. I'm not teaching you anything about Yahoo. I'm just telling you what they do and how you can convert it to a legitimate hustle. They will pick any pastor. They'll go to Google and search popular pastors in the US. In fact, they can search based on states. They can say the most popular 10 or top 10 pastors in Texas, top 10 pastors in Florida. When it brings the name, they will go and search for them on social media, Instagram to be precise. They will not, or Facebook. They will now get their details. Facebook people usually are more to the Yahoo community. Facebook people are more gullible, so they focus more on Facebook users. They would search for this pastor, get his social media, and then they will create their own version. If his name is Paul Smith, for example, they will now say the Paul Smith Parish, or Paul Smith something, or Paul M. Smith, or P.A. Paul Smith. They will just look for something that relates to that name. Then they will start using the pastor's name. Every Sunday, they call it bombing. That's when they will start. As long as they know that the pastor is going to be preaching, I think most of these pastors, when they preach, they broadcast it on YouTube. They go live on YouTube. They'll be getting clips from that YouTube and be posting on this page like though the pastor is really preaching. They will create trust in the followers such that you would even like to follow their page because they are giving you live updates. Whenever this pastor is going for a concert, whenever this pastor is going live on social media, or whenever there's a church program where this pastor is going to be ministering, they will make sure they get a link to start streaming what this pastor is saying and be showing them on the page. I mean, anybody who wants to follow this type of page, because if you are a religious person and you like this pastor, you would definitely want to follow their weekly or monthly service or program. Now this is where they will start coming in. When they do, they will now, as they see that you start liking their posts, you always follow them, you always do things, they'll be using the hashtags that you can use to search and get them on social media. They will now start sending DMs. Hi, you need a special prayer, or sometimes they will even post it like, if you need a special prayer, send me a DM right now, I'll give you a special prayer. They will not tell you anything about money. People will start paying tithes and offerings to this account thinking they are paying to this pastor's boss. Do you see how far these guys go? Now they can even get the pastor's voice and use AI to they'll write something, they'll write a text like the pastor is preaching, and then they'll use this pastor's voice to read out this message. When they read out this message, people will think it is the pastor talking. They will use, there's a particular AI they use. I'm sorry I cannot tell you guys the AI because I know that everything I'm saying here, some people that are listening to me might want to use it the negative way, so I'm not going to tell you the AI that they use. I know the AI. They'll use it to convert the pastor's voice. They'll use it to convert what they wrote into the pastor's voice, so people will think it is the pastor that is talking. And then this way they will now start convincing people to pay tithes, offering, pay for special prayers, and this is going to be a lifelong scamming process. I mean, why can't you convert this into a legitimate hustle? Use this, you can actually use this to write Christian books and then post them on Amazon, and then be using this pastor's teaching to sell these books. Christianity has no variations. Whatever the pastor is preaching was gotten from the Bible. Whatever you wrote in your Christian book was also gotten from Christian doctrines and the Bible inclusive. You can use that to preach and sell your book and tell them that to learn more, click the link in my bio. Meanwhile, the link in your bio is your book on Amazon that they will go and buy, or your author profile on Amazon where they can see many Christian books and then buy. How about that? If you watched to this stage, thank you very much for learning something new today. And trust me, I'm going to try as much as I can to post like 10 videos every week. I know I've been lazy all through, but this time I want to seriously teach people how to legitimately make money online. Remember to like, share, and follow. Tell everybody that you know that Legal Naira is back and is going to be dropping a lot of tips on how to make money online. We focus too much on how to make money on Amazon KDP alone, but now I want to start teaching in other branches of online hustle. I want to start teaching freelancing. I want to start teaching copywriting, cold emailing, how to get clients. If you're smart and you're a copywriter or a graphic designer, from everything I've said, you will know how to get clients. All you need to do is to search for people that will need your service on Instagram and then send them a DM. Nurture them, show them your page, show them things you can do for them and how you can better their businesses with your graphic design skill. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.